Let's be brutally honest for a second. Most indie artists are losing even before they release the song because the artwork looks like a school project. And this is not your fault. You don't have design training, you don't know color theory, you don't know typography rules. You're not supposed to. And paying for quality artwork, well, that gets expensive. One cover for $80. One version for Spotify Canvas, $40. Another resize for Apple Music, $20. Bro, you're paying rent and artwork fees. Meanwhile, major artists, their labels have design teams. You don't. But now, AI made the gap vanish. You can create artwork that looks like a full design team touched it in minutes for free. But there's a catch. Most artists are doing AI wrong. And that brings us to why AI art often looks bad. Why your artwork sucks. This is why your artwork sucks. AI is powerful, but if you give it garbage inputs, you get garbage outputs. Most artists type, cool album cover, dark vibes, and then wonder why it looks like a fever dream. AI follows rules. If you don't speak its language, it hallucinates. Here's what you're missing. AI needs visual direction. If you don't give it specifics, it guesses. Number 2, AI needs emotion, not genre. Rap cover? That's mid. Angsty neon loneliness aesthetic with high contrast shadows? Now that's fire. Number 3, AI needs structure. You can't give it 20 ideas at once. You need to give it one idea it can focus on. Number 4, AI needs constraints. No constraints means chaos. So let's fix all of that. Next up, the 3-step method to get free AI art. Here's the method we'll use today. Step 1, extract the emotion from your song. We'll put keywords from your lyrics or vibe. Step 2, convert emotion/visual language. We'll turn words like sad into desaturated blues, blurred reflections. Step 3, generate professional artwork using free tools. No watermarks, no credit cards, no paid subscriptions. And then I'm going to show you how SONAR automates the entire process by reading your lyrics and generating visuals in one click. Completely free. But first, let's build your first AI cover manually so you understand the game. Step 1, extract the emotion. Take your lyrics, take the mood of the beat, take the story, ask yourself, if this song had color, what color would it be? Is this song dark, warm, nostalgic? Is this song crowded or empty? You want 5 words in each category. Emotion words, lonely, anxious, euphoric, confident, nostalgic. Color palette words, deep reds, washed blues, neon purple, muted green, gold highlights. And then textured words, grainy film, glossy plastic, watercolor, metallic shine, foggy glass. And then of course, aesthetic words, retrofuturism, cyberpunk, dreamlike haze, analog photography, surreal minimalism, and composition words, center focus, wide angle, soft shadows, bold typography, negative space. You just need to pick a few. These become your prompt ingredients. This is what makes your AI art looks like an actual designer made it. Step 2, turn emotion into visual language. Now, let's build a prompt. A bad prompt would be, cool album cover, rap vibes. Now a designer level prompt would be something like, moody album cover in deep blue tones, foggy reflections, neon highlights, wide negative space, cinematic lighting, grainy texture, minimalist surrealist style. See the difference? One sounds like a confused child, the other sounds like you hired an art director. We're going to generate 3 variations: minimalist concept, cinematic concept, and of course, stylized illustration concept. Let's jump into the free tools right now. Step 3, generate art using free tools. These are the best free tools right now. Number 1, Bing Image Creator. Free and unlimited. Uses DALL-E, crisp, high quality, no paywalls. You just paste your prompt, choose square image, generate, and then boom, 4 covers. Number 2, Leonardo AI. Free tier. More artistic outputs. Choose album cover preset, paste your prompt, and then generate. And now, of course, number 3, SONAR. Lyrics to artwork, free credits. This is the game changer. Instead of writing prompts, SONAR reads your lyrics, understands the emotion, and builds artwork around your song's meaning. You can go to sonar.africa, click Art Generator, paste your lyrics, and hit Generate. You get cover ideas based on storytelling, something no other AI tool does. Your lyrics become visuals. Your song's emotion becomes design. 0 effort, free credits included. So use all 3 tools and create a batch of 12 plus artworks in minutes. How to pick the right artwork. You don't pick the coolest one. You pick the one that supports your song. Here's the selection checklist. Does it match your song's emotion? Would someone click on your track because of this? Does it stand out in a sea of thumbnails? Does it feel like your brand? Would you be proud to post this everywhere? If yes, then that's your cover. Most artists overpay for artwork because they don't know what's possible. But now, you've got a repeatable system, a set of tools, and a way to turn any lyric, any emotion into professional design. And if you want to generate artwork directly from your lyrics, check out SONAR. The link is in the description below. This is SONAR Tech Time. See you in the next one.